Why do you need a licensed realtor to go with you to look at model homes or to purchase a new build? You may have heard conflicting information, but I just want to give you one of the really big reasons why I think that you personally need a realtor to represent you, even when purchasing a new build. Yes, of course, we're going to go in initially and we're going to try to negotiate closing costs or maybe some upgrades or what have you. Maybe we can even help with lender selections, all of these things. Maybe we can even get your offer accepted in a seller's market. The builders are even asking for their highest and best. Yes, all of that upfront stuff we're absolutely there for. But where I think I make my money, where I think you truly feel like somebody has your back is during the home orientation process. Some builders call it the home orientation process and some call it the blue tape walk. What is a home orientation? What is a blue tape walk? Let's dive in. So I am coming fresh off the line of a home orientation today, in which I'm actually going to share the text message that my client sent. I think that this is where my video guy puts the text message right here. But look at this text message. My buyer, when I approached her today during her home orientation, she didn't seem very excited. She sounded like really nervous. She had her little notepad and she didn't really know, I don't know what to expect or what was happening. But when I asked her what was wrong, she said, I've done this before. I've bought a new home before and I felt like I really had to fight to get things fixed on the property, that nobody was there for me. Halfway through the orientation today, she verbally said, I feel like I can just relax and enjoy this process because I feel like you have my back. So what is a home orientation? A home orientation or a blue tape walk is when the builder wants to educate a buyer about the property. And this usually occurs 3 days prior to closing. So 3 days prior to closing, a home buyer, the realtor, and a representative from the builder will show up at the property. Made it a couple minutes late, but not bad for coming from California. Final walkthrough on this beauty today. Can you tell? We got painters and contractors and homeowners, my assistants. Oh, yeah. Beautiful day for a gorgeous walkthrough. Yeah, baby. Now, the representative of the builder is talking to the buyer, and they keep a lot of their attention on the buyer. And they're telling them things about the property. Oh, look at the smoke detectors, or oh, this is a Whirlpool washer dryer, or oh, this is a gas oven. And so they're giving them very useful information. But what a lot of home buyers don't realize is that's also the day where we annotate or pick out things that need to be fixed in the property. This is your moment to say, hey, that drywall's messed up. Hey, we have all of this paint scuffed over here. Hey, why isn't that center burner on the stove working? Oh my gosh, when I turn on the water on this bathroom, there's a leak under here. You need to have that fixed. So a home orientation is kind of a soft cover for the builder to say, hey, I'm going to tell you all about the property. But from a realtor's perspective, it's my day to go in and be like, fix this, fix that, fix this, fix that. And it's my day to be there for you, the client. In the past couple weeks, I've had clients that have just been so eternally grateful because they didn't know their boundaries. They didn't know that they could ask for all of the drywall repairs. The builder has already factored in typically 3 days to make these repairs. If you don't give them anything, they're just gonna ride it out for 3 days. I'd rather them be touching up paint. Oh, the window's not working. We found a cracked window as of today. And even the home orientation specialist said, oh, I didn't even see that. So he didn't see it, but we caught it. That's one of the biggest reasons I think that you need representation. It's like going into court without a lawyer. You're going into buying a new house without representation. I want to be there for you, and it's truly when I feel like I earn my money. And I have had a lot of happy clients. Okay guys, just finished a walkthrough on this gorgeous D.R. Horton home. VA buyer purchased with zero money down, got $8,500 worth of closing cost assistance. They are buying this house with zero money out of pocket. Closing on that property this week, closing on that property this week. Within just a few house radius, we saved all three of these buyers a combination of $24,000 worth of closing costs. And that's what happens when you call a realtor to go look at new builds. Give me a call. Not only do we do the home orientation, the blue tape walk, but then we do a final walk to make sure that all of those improvements and corrections have been made prior to recording. So when you get the keys to your brand new house, you can feel like everything's been accomplished to a level that you're happy with, and hopefully you're happy with me. Okay guys, so remember at the end of the day when you're out there on a Saturday or Sunday and it's beautiful weather and you get that Starbucks coffee and then you see the model home signs and you just find yourself walking into the model homes. Wait! You need representation. Call your agent, call the person that you love and respect and admire in your real estate world, and make sure that they know you're walking through those doors, because if you walk through those doors, they may not be able to represent you. I hope that I highlighted some reasons why you need to make that phone call and why you need representation when buying a new build. And again, at the end of the day, remember, if you have any questions regarding this topic or any other real estate topics, who's your homegirl? I'm your homegirl.